third video in one day, which is pretty impressive. So here's the other one, the other outdoor ceiling fan. I think it's Hampton Bay. It's a mystery. It's got no vents. It's weird. Anyway, well, it's not weird in a bad way. It's just what do you call it? Interesting. Yeah. It's just very interesting how it has no vents, but it has like a style on the motor housing. I think you can see it there. Hang on. Yeah, it's got like little bumps and stuff, as if they were vents. I don't know where they were going with that, but okay. So here we go. Let's fire it up on low with light. Well, let me just show you guys the light first. The light looks as good as the other one's light did. And of course, like I said in the video that I did with the other one, is I'm not going to upload them all at once. I'm going to space them out. Like one of these a week, I guess. That'll last me for a little bit. And if y'all guys are new to my channel, and you haven't seen this fan in operation before, this is a 2-speed fan. It goes high off, low off. So, interesting. And this fan has 2 capacitors. A cylinder capacitor that would go in industrial ceiling fans, and a standard capacitor that you see in ceiling fans all over the world. So, it's pretty strange. This one's got a mystery behind it. So, off goes the light, and here goes low. Low, I tell you. No, not high. Thank you. Please don't pull the pull chain. Okay, good. It's going to have that weird tapping noise again, because you can see it's whacking the pull chain. Hopefully it doesn't grab the pull chain and yank it, like it tried to do multiple times. Oh, shoot. I see what it's trying to do. Oh, wait a minute. I see what it's doing. We might have a slight problem. Okay. I hope it doesn't try yanking that one. I see what it was doing. It was trying to grab the light pull chain, because it was going down into the motor and the blades were grabbing it. Hopefully it doesn't end up turning itself off. See, that's why I got to stand close to these things. When they're upside down like this, they're even more dangerous. Oh shoot. I'm trying to do the same thing with that one. Alright, so I'm having some technical difficulties with this one. This one's trying to break itself. So, unfortunately, that light kit will have to, unfortunately, that light globe will have to go. I'll have to put the extensions on. I can't really run it this way. I could think of something to do. Let me look at it. It's trying to yank these pull chains. I don't know why. I mean, y'all have already seen it, what it looks like. Yeah, let me show you guys what it looks like. Oh yeah, look at that. It's spinning stuff. So, I'll be right back. I'm going to take the globe off, then I'm going to set the pull chains into the light kit. That way that doesn't happen anymore. Because obviously it's trying to kill itself. I don't know why it's trying to do that. So, ooh, I bumped the camera. Huh. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright, so this is what it's going to have to be for the rest of the video. I won't be able to do the 5-blade setting with the globe on right now. So, I really don't want the ceiling fan to keep doing that. Because, one, I don't want it to pull the pull chain out of its switch. And 2, I mean, this fan is still alive, and I want to keep it alive. So here goes low. Yeah, there's low. Alright, this is going to be a much better test. Whew. All this video recording is making my phone tired. That's a pretty fast low speed for it. But obviously it's only got 2 speeds, so would I really blame it? Not really. I really don't know what that second capacitor is doing. Is that second capacitor being one, or is that second capacitor being the first and second speeds, or is it the one making it 2 speeds? I don't know. It's got a cylinder capacitor in there and a standard capacitor. Maybe one of you guys can tell me in the comments why that is. Now, since it has that in there, you know it's a real old ceiling fan. You never know what those capacitors are in there for. Here's high. And it's buzzing because I put one of those, this one wobbles a little worse. Yeah, as I said, yeah, I put a Hampton Bay pull on it and I set it down into the light kit, and apparently it's making that buzzing noise now. It's vibrating. But it's all for the video. Alright. Unfortunately, no reverse, so I'm going to put it to 5 blade after I shut it off. And the buzzing's gone. I'll do spin down for this, then the 5 blade will be spin down. I think the 5 blade will be, I wonder if the 5 blade would be a slower spin down or a faster spin down. I've never actually, the 5 blade, you'd think it'd spin down faster because it's more weight, but keep in mind if you put more weight on bearings, they'll just spin for longer. So, yeah, this is a non-reversible, so, and yeah, unfortunately I have to move all those blades over. There's 4 holes that are open right now. I got to move all the blades into every hole. I honestly think it looks pretty cool with only 4 blades. And of course it's going to stop quicker because it ain't all that well oiled. If y'all have seen my live stream replay, I've been spraying WD-40 in the top bearing so many times. I've been spinning it, and finally it spins. I've been jump starting it. Non-reversible. Alright. Let me cut the video and it'll be 5 blade next time you see it. Alright. So here it is with the 5 blade. I have the globe just sitting on there just so you guys can see what it looks like with a globe on it with the 5 blade configuration. Here's low. I wonder if I can just keep it sitting here. I think it'll stay. Oh, but it's going to try grabbing the pull chains because the pull chains are hanging a little low. I can't have that happen. Definitely can't have that happen. Nope. Please don't. There we go. There. That looks good. Looks like I'll be able to keep it this way. Yay. I just won't be able to screw the globe in. I'll just have to keep the globe sitting on there. Although I'll have to watch it when it starts wobbling. Oh man, I forgot to put my drill underneath it. Oh, never mind. It's there now. Just some of that good old camera magic. So, now it's time for high speed. Hopefully the globe doesn't just fling off. Good. Alright, time to shut her down. Alright, so let's see what we're getting here. I hope I have the light shut off. Hang on, let me plug it back in real quick. This ain't gonna affect the spin down. Alright, good. I had it off. I'll take that. This as well. Might have took that too early because it might yank and never mind. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. Last video in one day. I was going to say of the day, but that'd be kind of confusing to y'all. But last video I'm going to film in one day. That's a wrap. Now I got to take this thing down, or tear it down, and put everything up, tidy up everything, get all the blades back in their spots. We should be good to go. Thank you guys for watching.